Aláṣẹ ní lówó gbòó, alábẹ́bẹ́ ní kò gbòó. Pẹ́pẹ́yẹ bímọ. Pẹ́pẹ́yẹ bímọ. Bự. 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 Oh yes, I don't start. Lovely. Yeah. Isani kologo bo. 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 Isani kologo bo. Now let's sing at the single. Bo. This my voice, so it be like my voice. Ini gong 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 boom. Di gang boom. Di gang bing. British Akbeka. British Akbeka. Esa yere. Ayobo kan ejobo aso ejobo adagba. Onesani. Na le few people will hear am. Ake boko we aso awe ejobo anagba we. Look at that. Boo. See go logo amugogo. Boo. The go boo. Boo. Now so here AK-46. Area.
Mama, you.
Eh?
You not get topic. Good morning, ma.
Yes, I have topic.
Sharon na so laugh. You just dey laugh since.
Say logo boo. Me I wear logo we boo. We only on no sisi. We only on AKD 15 me we okay say. Kolo.
Bo.
Kolo. Eh, so yeah.
Oh yeah, don't set.
Area don't red though. My sister.
We did now.
Area don't red. Upe. On upe say well any egbo. My name dey sweet for Facebook where e Beatrice Okpaka gbo. British Okpaka. So they use my name do profile gbo. They use lovely gbo. They use Ivie gbo. Now na sabi pass. Nothing they pay me like say.
Illiteracy they worry that woman. Illiteracy is a disease.
Wait you know what they pay me here, lovely? You dey hear me? I don't know why they know the cause there. They will call the cause those state people. No, say wait, don't reach
that one now.
Now they pay me. When you don't reach those state, the thing they pay me. Now I make they'll say old woman, old food, all this. Yes, I like them. You understand? When don't old, no, we not add mature. You will be small picky. Why you not add mature? Coco sign. I don't want to tell anybody where you know say take her to himself. You are your own. Hence, I not measure your name. You can take it to yourself. You understand? According to the parable, one of them they make around. You dey hear me? Wait till God concern you with honor. Since when Benin people we will be at those state they fight for Facebook, boom, bang, boom. When I don't say another people come cocoa side.
Yoruba never come tell them say stop.
Yoruba never come meet us say shut up Benin people, shut up Ishan people, shut up Edo State people. No, now our man long pass. Our man must long. Our maths now we sabi pa. Now me get right to talk.
You know, see, now they insult, now they bring a dope, they insult them now.
No, you know what? No, lovely. Now you know what they pay me inside. When everything go outside, you go say, now they find my trouble. I not near them. Now so the thing they test that oh. Now so the thing they test that. I not find their trouble. Now they find me.
Make even wait for Yoruba people. They don't they ask information for my aunt.
Not only you not see that thing when they share around 3 times. Now that person don't do this thing. No, they do rubbish. You understand me? But I'm not gonna blame them because we
I
dey
living on let a gbe wa mu dagba. They say masquerade when professional masquerade for house. Now they carry go outside. If masquerade not professional for house, all they carry and go
you know
outside.
say my own not dey hard dem make dem put where I dey laugh where I open my nyash for Facebook. But I say who do me something, where you go do rounds till you end. You doctor, you can't reach where you for tekeke,
Make una
where
dey
you for
speak.
bakara.
Abeg.
9 days so. You dey hear me?
Let lady.
All those ones they speak their language. They don't dey speak English.
No, we dey
You
get
know wetin?
Rosemary. We get Rosemary Obaze. We get our language. Oh, we know they speak. We know they hear Bini. No be Bini. We know they speak Bini. Edo State big. No say they always talk am.
Edo State big oh, e big,
Edo
e
State
big,
big.
e big. Make nobody insult me oh, I go just block you straight.
Yeah, Monica, they made that they insult Edo State.
That they insult Edo State. Wetin come okay where we dey cause ourselves reach? I never want to see Yoruba man come jump in or Yoruba woman come jump in.
No.
But na our own mat long pass. E must say na him sabi am. We wan see viewer 2 million, 2,000 people viewer, 3,000 viewer. Notice me. Na we dey we Edo State people make we stop am. E no good. The thing wey concern us make dey concern us. We dey fight for Facebook. We no dey worry. When we fight finish, we go like that for our bed.
President ni professional call.
Ijeme bá tí ọ̀nà na yín. Wetin be the all YouTube don full for us. Dem wan come go draw Yoruba near their self. The one wey we dey never do. E never do. Must we go and measure people? Come draw another people nyash come man. Now you know pa. Now you view the London cocoa sign. You know people wey dey London. All of them dey be cocoa sign. Wetin come concern you now from here to Z? My sister abeg change e not good. Change oh. But if na we now go dey understand. No be say another people. Let us be we. You deal with Okpaka deal with you. No problem. We not dey go.
They even push am. As wetin dey push am now go push am put for Yoruba. You not even like am.
No, my sister. You know how many calls I don receive since? I thought they say wetin dey happen. Abeg oh. Mona remove me. You dey hear me?
They don't mention your name now. Now she that they mention. Just say the worst part of it. The guy when I listed this morning when they say
No, the last one they insulted those people. You don't understand?
now that they insult as she. You know what? You know what? Most people don't know. You know, say most people they for that Nigeria. They don't know say other state come out for Edo state. That is only Benin get Edo. That is the problem. Now be say that they insult am, maybe they insult person when insult them, maybe they all they insult Edo. The man for they insult Monica. I thought that's why the man insult Edo state because Monica insult Yoruba.
Wait, I dey come. Rosemary, I don't know Rosemary or Baze, abeg. Edo people, I don't know the way I go put am. Person go una Okpaka how dey sweet una see na don pakara. Okpaka. Una don't know why Okpaka dey talk now. Una don't see what Okpaka dey talk. Very soon they will on live video they insult Okpaka, but I know they bother. Make they know they insult Benin people. All those state people are not like am. Who do na something? Mona go straight to the point. Mona they insult that person straight. Not be Edo people Edo. No. Nothing concern Edo people with this. It concern particular people wey do am. Face them. No insult Edo. Mona face them. You lovely. You see they there.
I did.
You know wetin dey pay me? They not fit open their platform. Make they see their sister wey be say the down step. You see step? On that step, say Emwemi na Abunu. Me as this, I no wan speak English for there. Where three guests? Either him Ekwebo, either him either Zedo. They not that one don't.
Now so now I fit see that record, Mama. You know what? Most they talk truth. People, just afternoon, in the afternoon, now all they do Oyibo, now all they suck Oyibo. They respect that name.
That one not reach us. That one not reach us to open our live video to speak about. No, we from Italy, come fly, come London. Now only our mouth sharp. Now we go to talk and pass. Now we go to say it. Now we go to talk and.
Not be you, Mama. I no talk to you. Not be you, Rosemary. They refer to Mama.
Oh, I don't see.
No. You don't see, you don't say I first do one video one certain time. I say if they want to disgrace themselves, maybe they speak English. So that they don't go know who they thought they say na Nigeria, they don't know the state when for come. Why be say Benin they quick una where? Why? Why? Eh?
No, not tell me say mama forget that one. Wait till be forget. Since why would they fight? Would they kill ourselves? Una don't know they talk. You know what I hate for all these our people? They know they like the truth. Now they talk say every day our Edo people don't like criticism. You they hear me? When you criticize them, at that time they will give you name. Either they give you Agbete of number 1 or UK, or they give you name of British Agbekwa, or they give you British Agbete when you not get leg. You understand me? You dey hear me? Me I not care, but the truth must be said. I have to speak the truth. Truth is bitter. You understand me? Okay, what you can consign them now? Maybe they say those state people. Eh? Tell me what you can consign us with Yoruba people. What you consign us? The one where we did, where we say we dey fool ourselves for Facebook, for YouTube. It never do. Then one may another country come dey insult us. Or even though all those stupid girls where we say they under this thing. You see, Oyibo whole phone. You see Oyibo whole phone. You know say make you dey be careful. Una dey drag am for her, give this one. This one go come on mat, put this one come on mat, and they come dey speak Benin. Una dey craze. Una where that one not reach us to talk about.
You know what? You know what? They know they hide do that thing again. They know they hide do one.
As they say, Ashawo must stop. Not be that they say me they show them say yeah, it not go stop. They say Ashawo must stop. Not be they say let us tell them say we go come out the way we feel like. You know, they see them.
They know they even do and hide again. Anywhere when they come reach, now they don't come they do and wow.
Yeah.
They use contour against so.
Who know whether it did their hand? Who know? I they tell the whole world. Now if my ear say that they cost me nothing but the truth. The truth is bitter.
Mama forget cost. Who no cost help? Who respect help? I bet forget.
Yeah,
they say that they cost. Forget cost. Who respect even herself?
Oh
if
my
not respect, say people they take respect. Many people like many people they go honor them with respect.
No, wait till they pay me say notice me too much. I talk who do Beatrice he must do go reach where God go punish him. Now that they so. Now that they say who just take this thing make parable say when you talk to Igbo people forget say that they quarrel all of them go gather. You dey hear me? If you do Yoruba forget say that they quarrel all of them go gang up. They go quit they do finish when they go see you go this way I go this way but he go still quit they gather insult you give you the way you go want to tell you say next time not try it not be like do Aisha na if me and you dey quarrel now you see one go call you go put fire another one go call you go put fire. Yoruba Igbo they not dey like that. You dey hear? They not dey like that. Now let our Coco say. What is this one? The una the very shameless.
Under the step. They're shameless, Joe. They're shameless.
Wetin be this one? I dey shame o. If una no dey shame o, abeg who is my concern? Let the thing be between me and you. Curse me if I feel like curse you. If I not still feel like arrest, leave Yoruba alone. Leave Igbo alone. Two, we dey fight since Yoruba no dey kokosign. Yeah, that they call out different names. You don't see Yoruba come talk, or as they speak their language, make we forget viewer. You don't see say they don't talk, You don't see. You dey hear me? Lovely person.
Why be say, mama, wait for why be say, those people that they disgrace themselves. Okay, see the fight where that Yoruba people fight, center off, where Oyibo they relax. See the one where they still fight for Germany, whether na train station.
Now that one not was pass. No, that one not was.
They matter the woman, you wear a G-string, you carry a
You
pap,
tell
you
that
don't
part
wear
of
leggings. You come up for house. That means say if they do I bet this Asha self no go stop. You cannot tell me that a
I go
responsible
invite him
human
at the
being, a
come.
responsible woman will dress up like that and go outside. Man, that woman, she's up to something. Yes. It was like me now. If I dress with wrapper, you expect me to wear ordinary pint? No, no, no. I will put
You
on
go see where
a
have
top.
you go see where one have thing now. No, for under. E not dey like that. That one not reach us to talk about o. E not reach us. May abeg o Yoruba people, more na dey face who talk to una, more na leave those state people alone. You dey hear me? Abeg o. Who do una something, more na face am. Na our own we dey go. Face over sabi. Na him no pass. All the Nigeria. How e
Inside
take
talk and I say, he said they do all of the day I think that they do as how they know they go work.
na not be, you go blame them. You go blame them. Who you blame? You wan blame them?
But any woman, I don't know any woman like Monica. I don't know. They'll say Naisha man, I marry her.
Abeg.
Any
I
woman
no
like
want.
Monica, it's not even good to
Lovely.
associate with.
Lovely, abeg. I no wan hear that name. Abeg. Yeah.
I will make sure it's not good. I know they fear her. She not fit do me anything.
Not
I
be say
like
I
video.
dey,
Then she dey
not be
make
say I dey
well.
fear am. The name get the way e dey. Abeg.
But that one say no we are her.
Obiara say no o. Ibali only Adam.
I don't laugh. Kwa. I hear her laugh again. So stink. She's so stink.
Ibali only o. Ekiri emi na so erebe. Ekiri emi na so olu profile. Okipu we dana.
She's just a step on everybody's toes. Anybody who just they see you, just they step on their toes. It's not good. Eh? This one you follow me. This one you follow me. Why if we say why they're cousin? Eh?
E good o. Very soon make dem still design my picture put for Facebook. I no care. And they are plenty now.
No, they talk say you know what? If those people they do something, those may I face the one when you just be saying I just go they let those people they insult those states. If that woman they do something say he carry you come out, they talk to you for social media or I know they reason their issue. Oh.
Hey.
Me, I know they reason their issue. They're not rich. How they reason their issue? Then they get person that they reason their issue. No be them. How be Monica? When if not be Facebook, when it can be say everybody can come and they dance like this thing. Huh?
Abeg, when may I invite Lovely, may I invite this woman? Yeah?
Okay now.
Because we arrange this issue, make them the face who they face, so make them leave those state people alone.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Mama.
Eh?
Good morning, ma.
Good
Oh,
morning.
mommy. Well done, ma. I just dey pray make you pick this to make I for fit contribute. Mama, you know say when somebody too do like say she know too much.
Hey.
Na me jollof rice they call over sabi wey they call the husband uncle. Make them for say she get respect.
Hey.
You understand me, ma?
Hey.
When Matthew and the fine girl own happen, we can go come put the thing for head like say she did there, she witnessed am. Mama, you see this Jagab Esabod now? This Esabod now Dublin here she did with me. Esabod house to my house are like 25 minutes drive. Esabod, Jagaban, all those people, all of them they fight. Their fight don't pass 2 years online. Now Lagos I grow. Now Benin they born me. Now Lagos I grow up. I know if Mama. I'm not sure. Say these people don't ever. never see Yoruba person come poke nose. I don't know what it concern Monica. When Monica come chook head, chook mouth, for waiting not consign her.
Marcello.
For waiting not consign her, waiting not consign Monica. Now she dey, Mama, make I tell you one thing. If you Oba set it deal with say, if you Oba, you see that Jagaban no be person when they don't be person when they use one hand push. Jagaban go fit deal with Monica. She just the only thing wey pay me now the opening people where that man they insult.
Now it be the thing. What it concern me? Me and that one not concern us. But I say make it they not they let us curse us. The one when we dey don't do us. Why you now they not go curse you? That they curse all the entire Benin people. You dey hear me?
You see her? Oh, for some with the warrior, I don't know the kind of husband where they get. We no fit talk to them. We no fit talk to them. I just use one. I don't understand. Egbe all happened that the Monica they talk her like say she did there. Oh, he is a no what jare. For here you work, you don't work, you go collect soda. You know say make you come turn nuisance for line. Monica just turn nuisance. If friend go they sub him, a partner in crime self go support her. They no go fit call each other, make they tell themselves the truth. Make they tell themselves the truth. You will call yourself, say you be okay, you be okay, you are president who call, they don't fit call out to order. You know if you call out to order, say come, what you they do, so you're not supposed to do like that. At least as if you say that they in group, before you go come out to the kind of things, you supposed
my sister, you see, that's the call motivational speaker. Now they be correct one.
That's what I'm saying. Yes, correct. No, wait till they same thing with they talk. Before they go come begin they talk of you. At least this kind of thing are public. You go come first call on a meeting. I beg, I won't bring this topic out. You right or being all right. Mama, if you over deal with a Monica. He has deal with a. He said you first but we they take but first but they use it, they rub, they use you, they do paint. No, you don't she go use you do paint. She not say anybody na crazy woman. Mad woman, now you see so. You don't you not hear from this side, you not hear from this side, you don't they judge. I don't understand this Monica. Now for Sabi, I don't they this woman.
Okay, now the lady there for Facebook, you dey hear me? If they talk, you dey hear? People they advise her because if they explain it part of it, you dey hear me? Say see wetin happen, man. So now Yoruba people they support that woman when you hope pikin say see wetin he go do, see wetin he go do. That they speak out for Yoruba, which me I dey hear Yoruba clearly. You dey hear me?
Yes.
So now you when you not dey hear Yoruba, you don't do your own thing. You don't make a hell where you don't enter house. Ọmọ tó ṣeré kéré. Igudo.
Ó ṣeré kéré. Kò tí ìrẹ́ni tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ni.
Àwọn máa padà nù mí. Àwọn máa padà nù mí. Eléyìí ò ṣe bíbí sí.
Ó tiẹ̀ máa lù pa ni. Kò tí ì rí kankan.
Eléyìí ò ṣe bíbí sọ̀pá ìka. Ó máa dá mọ̀. Ó máa
Jagaba
dá
máa
mọ̀.
sọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn tó ń jẹ́ fún. Ẹni ẹ má tiẹ̀ wọ́rì mà.
Mi worry.
Monica ti wọ́wọ́ chance.
Sọ̀pá ìka ò dá wàá dẹ̀ èrè kan tó ju ẹ lọ.
Àní one chance Monica ti wọ̀ yìí. Ó wọ one chance. Ẹ wò ó ṣe Mama, may we not come sell people for here. You don't see this Mama Anna Mayowa, the one wey go pikin among them. You don't welcome her to. She don't welcome her to Egypt. He said, Monica, you are welcome to Egypt.
You won't tell me. You know how many I get? I don't get three. Three people now. Now they do live video now. 3. One we write.
Wọ́n máa ṣe ṣẹ́gẹ̀ sórí ẹ̀. Orí àpè wa.
Kò dá mọ̀. Ó máa jẹ́ èrè. Ìsí dákẹ́. Oríkà yẹn lánàá ti pé. Oríkà yẹn lánàá ti pé. Mo wà bíbà yìí. Ẹ wà. Kò tí ì dá mọ̀.
Ọmọ ọ̀tá nìyẹn. Obìnrin yẹn ọmọ ọ̀tá nìyẹn. Ìgbà tí mo wọ̀ wá ìwé yìí. Ọmọ ọ̀tá lélẹ́yìí.
Ó ní owó òmùgbó. Owó òmùgbó.
Àyè mú gbó.
Sórí ìyẹn náà fi mi ọ́fẹ̀ mi rẹ́rìn ni ìgbà tó ní pé ò lágbára ó lọ èèyàn lọ tí balẹ̀ ní ó gbà mo ní ókè ó ga
Okay.
ó ga ó
Wọ́n dà
ga.
wọ́n lóhùn jàre. Monica ti di nuisance sí gbòòrò.
má wọrí ìjọ
Lọ bá àwọn
Friday
kí-
máa arrange kéèsì ẹ̀ ni ìjọ Friday máa arrange kéèsì ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ni ó máa dá mọ̀ eléyìí ò ṣe Benin people.
Monica ti tẹ́ o.
ó ti dá àmàdà lóhùn onítòhún gbé over sabi housewife ó máa jẹ̀rì.
No be so. Don't give her a new name. Over sabi when they call your husband uncle. Give her.
Uncle mà ní.
Over sabi when they call your husband uncle.
Uncle tó bá jẹ́ 10 minutes sísè wàá dẹ̀ gbọ́ orúkọ mi láàyè ó ní ibi tí sọ páíkà àwọn máa design mi
Àníwèrè ni ẹni tó ò ní ṣe nuisance ni.
ìgbà
Ẹni
táwọn ò ní
tó
ṣe
tó bí
nǹkan
ẹ lọ́mọ, wọ́n máa bú bí ẹgbẹ́ ẹ.
ìgbà táwọn ò ní ṣe
ẹni tó bí ẹ
nǹkan
lọ́mọ.
àwọn ò ní ṣe ṣe.
Kò síṣẹ́. Wọ́n ní sẹ́ni mà. Àwọn àfàkúrò di mẹ́rin.
má jẹ́ more than not worry I say mama don enter Yorùbá land yes. Àwa ni àwa gidi ó ti ṣe.
Kò tí ì ní
Ìdè mẹ́
kankan.
Igbo when I go speak for now na
Wọ́n máa fojú ẹ̀rí má bo ló máa fojú ẹ̀rí. Wọ́n máa fojú ẹ̀rí má bo.
More than not worry àwa máa arrange kéèsì ẹ̀ dáadáa ni kò ṣe èní o tí ìbá lọ síbi iṣẹ́ máa dẹ̀ set table sí máa set yàrá
tí. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mama ẹ wo ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run tẹ́ bá fẹ́ set kéèsì ẹ̀ èmi máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ lálẹ́ mo máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ní 6 o'clock máa ṣe tán ní 9 or 11.
Ẹ má wọrí wá dẹ̀ bá mi invite àwọn Instaboard pẹ̀lú gbogbo wọn.
Mo tiẹ̀ ní wọn ẹ má tiẹ̀ wọrí mo tiẹ̀ ní wọn ní kíní mi.
Yes o.
Máa invite gbogbo wọn. Àwọn wèrè.
Táwọn
tó bá jẹ́ àwọn eléyìí tó lọ ẹ̀wọ̀ ojú tì mí.
Ó ní mommy please speak English.
Mom see those girls wey dey on that step for God's sake for goodness sake na wá jàre à. Wá jàre.
Má jàre má vún YouTube. Má vún YouTube.
Mama àmì ẹ̀wọ̀n náà gbàṣáwó. Orí màá ní iye tó yẹ lọ́gbà mọ́ ìhun gẹ̀gẹ̀gẹ̀.
Mẹ̀ka tẹ̀yìn aláya rọ̀bù.
Wàá yẹ kó
aláya
sùn ní. Wàá yẹ sí ẹ̀ látó tẹ̀ step.
Bage kamera isa ni ya kpa ibanire ya na kpolede ne ke ya na ro to step abe ne kwemu abe
ne to step very impossible people okay see another woman you go fight for train station you go wear jean string they go dey fight tie wrapper go dey fight the other one dey one naked one wey gouge come fight that one wey ready fight the pack herself well you wan go dey naked wetin dey there for una too stupid to wan go fight una wear native na everywhere somebody dey say when this ashawo people never come Germany get peace can you imagine
ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run àwọn ẹgbẹ́ mi àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó bá fẹ́ bú èèyàn má bú Edo State ẹ bú èèyàn tó ṣẹlẹ̀
kọ́ má bú Edo State mọ́.
Mona no insult Edo State again. Who do na something abeg? Now they take Yoruba talk.
Na Monica na Isabiro Ofofo. You say your name na Lobolobo. You know the shame. Useless woman. Woman wey husband no fit control. You go get real husband for house. You go just dey behave the way. I dey imagine the kind man wey you marry.
My sister.
Mama, you know wetin happen one day? I come dey tell my husband say, "Hey." I said, well, the business go do live show. You know what he tell me? He said, I go choose. He said, that means you don't ready to choose. Either you stay marriage or you do live show.
My sister, you know
what they live show. Now they do all these things. He said,
I said, do me something. You go do round. Ireme Hausa and Igbo. You go do rounds. If you not do round, where take it? It's a year where take it. What take it?
I don't hear Isha.
Not concern me. But don't tell Yoruba. Who hear Yoruba here? When me are you the?
When you are so we never play. Our Edo.
Àwa ọ̀rẹ́ mi Igbo. Mo trust ẹ Igbo. Àwa ọ̀rẹ́ mi Igbo. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi Igbo. Make I invite another person because you know say me now before I do live video I go do my break any moment now they do live video I no dey waste time because I know say I dey make my dough every day is level.
Thank you so much, man. Now it better pass. You use your free time. You don't be saying they go sit down. They call you 5 hours. Say pack makeup. Pack and use the foundation when they their face go reach 2 centimeters. They don't come carry eyeshadow. If they AliExpress do me when then God will bless those people. See how make I leave you, make you for take another person.
I must find my money before they come live video. May I call and say na ranting. The day when you go ranting, na everyday live video now they make. The day when I go talk better thing, I will take program. Finito. Arriva. Ruben. Madam Ruben. Yes. You see me, I they control my boys. You dey they control the Italian.
Yeah.
You dey hear that? I say, if they break, I say, me go. May send another person go. Oh, me I dey enjoy my go.
Hey, well done, ma. Thank you so much, ma.
Later. Mona, no worry.
Thank you, ma. All right, ma.
You just maybe na 2 minutes, so me I go run. I go run. Me I go take care of my people. Make I go. We not the fear cause again. Hey, Okpeka Beatrice. Okpeka. Wait, now we only we dey. Must we go and address another people issue when our own never finish? Now we only we. Edo. We. I beg you, Yoruba people who do now something more than the cause. More than not cause those state people again. I take God beg you. I take God of Nazareth, God who created the heaven and earth. Beg you now. Yes. More than the insult to do now something. More than leave those people. Yes. Not be only a everybody that they do. You understand? Oh yes. Me I no go agree, bo. No insulted, do bo. Now this one fair bring wahala, do women. Now we tell them shut up. I not find their trouble. My people more na come. Make I tell you now how it starts. Where I do. Now they can't find my trouble. Bah, me worry. People wey say no pack a find the trouble. They go. People will come witness them say now they find people trouble. Now we dey so. What it concern you have been Yoruba people. Ukpe gala. Ukpe.
Hello, good afternoon, ma.
No.
Káàsán ma.
Káàsán, báwo ni?
Mo wà pa mama mi mọ̀ pé gbọ́ Yorùbá o.
Má worry, area lèmi náà.
Ó sùn lójú yín.
Gbà tó ti rọ ọmọ ọ̀tá ni ó mọ̀ pé ọmọ ọ̀tá. Ọmọ ọ̀tá tó wá cool down ni. Cool down, dàbálẹ̀.
Monica ò mọ̀ pé àwọn tó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ science student tó fẹ́ kọ́ kumi gọ́tà fún.
Ẹ fílẹ̀ fílẹ̀. Ó rò pé Beatrice Okpeka ló bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Kò tí mọ̀. Kò mọ̀ pé tó bá ń ṣá pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ó máa ṣá pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ wọn.
Má worry, àwọn ń bọ̀ fún.
Mọ́mì, àbúrò yìí ni mo jẹ́, ọmọ yìí mo jẹ́ ọ̀, ẹ wá tó mo ti wá.
Má worry, tó bá dé ẹ pè mí lórí messenger ká sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣó ti gbọ́?
Okay ma, okay.
All right.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀. So my people, I dey go because my break is a na break. Oh, this abeg your network no work, okay? Ciao. You understand? Abeg o, una there, take am easy, Mona not let them they insulted those people. Abeg o, nobody say Mona not do live video, no? Not be say I must talk am. You not do me anything. All the native data wey dey Nigeria, they know me, I know them. Na me strong pass. Abeg, my sister or my brother, take am easy o. This one not be Beatrice Okpeka o. This one not be Vienivie. This one not be Lovely. When e be say you do me, I do you, I sleep, you sleep. Get wetin you go do when e be say you sleep, you no go sleep well o. Take am easy, Now I just say make I tell you, I know say una strong. The pot one na dey take baff, another person no dey take am baff o. I still pray make God not let us enter the same pot baff. Jesus name oh. Yes. Always sakpo. Ba. Me una on live video. I dey go find my money. More na enter Beatrice Opaka. E dey craze. You know where? Una dey pay mu you made dey insult me. You know where? If you because una don tire for our matter. You know. Lovely. Hey. Blah. So tey they use my name do profile. Me I care. Carry on dash you. Use am dey comment. Yes. Dash you. Una fit use our name because una name don tire una. Now una dey use our name and our picture. Yes. Now we dey rain pass. Abeg no let dem dey insult Edo State people because e no go easy for una. We dey insult ourselves. E dey okay like that. We like am. We go insult you, insult me, we enter house. No be say you can't let dem dey insult tire Edo people. Una know me the old woman skele. I no go give una space. Every day the thing go dey fall for una head. Bang. Me I no go worry. If you like go design me because na your hand go computer. If I see say your own too much, I go use una go give oyibo. I go pay them. They go design una anyhow for me. I go design una anyhow for una. Cause enough is enough. Make the Yoruba people dey curse una, take una do yeye because na una sabi pa. Make dem leave those people alone. Because we not send them message. Na the soup wey hungry them for restaurant, na they buy drink. You understand? Yoruba people abeg o. The soup wey hungry them, na they buy. Mona face them. Leave Edo out of this. Right? Una know whether na Edo e come for sef. One na dey insult Edo people. Una know whether na Edo e come from. Yes, if you call me when I finish. Una know whether na Edo e come from. Every small thing, anybody wey dey live video na Edo. I mean na because say they speak Edo. Or sometimes I beg o. Mona leave Edo out of this and face una know him name. Una know his surname. Mona oya o. YouTube don full. YouTube dey vex, na true. YouTube dey vex. YouTube don full, so tey dey vex for us. You understand? So na bye yo. Oye sanwe muko. Ba aswa ba gyo bo anagbaba. Na do bit something. Aswa must swaba akiri ba won liko ikokoma. Kokoma. But we ba una no dey respect who senior una. Na Granny Stone na una o Tonto Granny Stone. Thank you my darling Granny Stone. Make dem not worry. The area just dey red. I want make the Facebook catch fire and make me talk. No say they not get topic. If to say I still no say they not get topic. I for don't kick my AK-47. Make it be Bini. Make they not go reach Yoruba please. I don't know say they not get topic at all. I for don't kick my AK-47. Make fire cash. If I kick and seize, you will see this one will do finish. I don't know say they not get job. I bet my sister, if you not get job, join boss me, I go set on the way where go let you take do live video where make you for leave on other people alone. You understand? Not let them come they use us Edo, do not be only us day. You dey hear me? Anytime when you know say you not get topic, just inbox me. I go just give you topic. I guess I know wetin be your topic where they sweet you. I go just go print that area small so you will come finish am. You understand? It's a me let them call the cost Edo people. Alright? Because you need view of 2,000, 3,000. Notice me. Now let you day. I beg una see this thing where I do know. Esan will say, may I reserve. Una no face una business. Yeah. Face una own. Face una own. About quick. Me as I dey talk, so message they come, all the picture they come. Egboro, waiting. It good for you. Now lay your pack, it good for you. Bye.